Today I'm doing a DIY last minute Cinco De Mayo party. I'm going to be doing treats, I'm going to be doing crafts, it's going to be a party, it's going to be fun. I'm sorry, like last month I was posting mostly on Thursdays and Saturdays. That is not my schedule. This month of May I am going to be on my game. My videos are going to be super cool and the uploads hopefully will be on time. In my last video, Glitter DIYs, I didn't do a voiceover, I just did music. And let me know, do you guys like me doing voiceovers or do you not like? Do you like me doing them or do you not like me doing them? I've also started writing back my descriptions. In my last video I started, in this video I'm going to start again. And then I'm going to place the rest of them in the rest of my videos. So if you guys like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. For this first DIY, all you're going to need is balloons. It doesn't matter how many you have, you just need all green. Once they're all blown up, you just want to take a black Sharpie and start drawing V's all over. Now for this next craft, you're going to need some cardstock, and I couldn't find my ruler, but you're just going to want to draw out a straight M. Now take some green paint and start coloring in your M. Once you're done painting, let it dry for a couple minutes or hours and start cutting it out to the shape that you want. My M doesn't look perfect, but I didn't really care. So now you're just going to take some toothpicks and start sticking them in the cardstock to make little prickles for your cactus. Now we're going to be making some maracas, and you will need an Easter egg. And then for the Easter egg, you just want to put some rocks, some coins, some sand or whatever to make noise. The last things you'll need are 2 spoons and some duct tape, and you just want to duct tape these spoons to the egg. Now we're going to make our first treat, and you want to first set your stove to medium high. Now in a small saucepan, repeat these steps. 1 cup of water, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, some salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now mix everything together until it is well combined and let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, take it off the heat and start adding 1 cup of flour and start mixing it up until it forms a ball. Now to a deep fryer or deep skillet, add 2 quarts of oil. Me and my mom didn't have the measurement, so we just guessed. And then you want to take the mixture we just made and put it in either a piping bag or a plastic bag. Me and my mom didn't have a piping bag, so I just put it in here for a little creation. Now I'm going to cut a tip at the bottom so we'll be able to pipe our churros. Now you want to make a cinnamon and sugar mixture. You can add as much as you want for both. Now we piped out the churros, and I kind of shaped them so that they would be in a little form instead of being like straight churros. Forgot to say, heat your little deep fryer to 375 degrees and pop your churros in. Once they are golden brown, take them out. Now just roll them in the cinnamon and sugar mixture and you're done. Enjoy! Now it's time for some Pico De Gallo, and you first want to cut up some cilantro. We cut off the stems and then we kind of cut up the leaf part. My mom chopped up the leaf part and I kind of just broke it together because that was easier for me. I forgot to say that you'll need a bunch of cilantro. Once you're done chopping everything, put it in a bowl. Now we're cutting tomatoes. And also remember to wash everything before you cut it. And all the recipes and all the steps and everything will be in the description down below. You also want to make sure that the tomatoes are cut up into really, really tiny pieces. Then me and my mom just started talking, so here's a little conversation. I feel like when I'm a grown-up, I'll love that quinoa salad. You love that. Milani finished 5 other people's plates.
The ends are these ends. We can keep.
I like cooking with this. Okay, cut through.
Brianna.
Sorry, but
it gets soggy.
Now put your chopped up tomatoes into your bowl.
Give me. I don't want you touching this. Aww. Because you can't eat these seeds. Wait, is this a fruit since it has no seeds? That's a science teacher. You're nice.
I got so caught up in our conversation, I forgot to tell you need a green jalapeno pepper and you need to cut it up too. So get your parent or somebody to help you because my mom wouldn't even let me touch this.
Maybe try. Do not touch nothing but this, then wash your hands. Maybe your phone, but nothing on your body or skin. Cut these really small because they're hot.
This is a lot. But that's good because I'm feeding like, 10 people? Now time for onions.
When you cry, you just close your eyes and back up.
Firstly, my mom said to peel your onion. Just to let you guys know, this was my first time dealing with onions and I didn't even cry. I thought it affected all people, but they just stung just for this one time.
Use onions. Yeah. Close. Mom's taking a little break because she's crying, but we got this. Haven't teared up yet. I don't know what I'm doing. So you're gonna have to wait. I'll call your dad. I don't think I can do it.
Daddy! I don't think he can hear me.
Daddy! Yeah. Can you help me?
I haven't cried yet. Hi.
We're gonna make this full because it's not melody, guys. I'm taking all that, but I'm tasting it. I'm gonna use this thing that's cool.
That's a lot. You sure we need that much?
Now you're going to need some lemon juice. My mom forgot to roll it, but you need a medium-sized one. We couldn't find that, but yeah, all you're going to need now is lime juice. Look how bright and beautiful it is. It made it more enjoyable. Your final ingredients should be salt and pepper, and you're done. Now mix it all together.
You're right. I just want tomato and cilantro.
I taste that cilantro.
More salt.
I have a little bit. Is it good to you, Mama?
Yeah. I added more salt. I
And you
tried.
got no socks on.
Okay guys, we got to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!